The process of drug discovery is complex and multifaceted, often taking years or even decades to bring a new medication from the lab to the pharmacy shelf. A crucial aspect of this journey is the initial phase known as hit identification, where researchers aim to discover potential lead compounds. This phase is essential because it sets the stage for further development and optimization of drugs that can effectively treat diseases. Hit identification usually starts with a thorough understanding of the disease target, often a specific protein or gene involved in the disease process. Scientists utilize various techniques, including high-throughput screening, virtual screening, and structure-based drug design, to identify compounds that can effectively interact with these targets. For instance, high-throughput screening allows researchers to test thousands of compounds in a short time, identifying those that show the highest potential for modifying the target's activity. Once potential hits are identified, they undergo a series of evaluations to assess their effectiveness and safety. This process, known as lead development, focuses on optimizing the chemical structure of the hits to enhance their potency, selectivity, and pharmacokinetic properties, which include absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. Various medicinal chemistry approaches are employed during this phase, ensuring that the compounds not only bind effectively to the target, but also exhibit desirable properties for further testing in clinical trials. Collaboration plays a pivotal role in hit-to-lead development. Today, interdisciplinary teams comprising chemists, biologists, pharmacologists, and data scientists work together to foster innovation and accelerate the discovery process. These teams often utilize cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning to predict compound behavior and optimize lead candidates more efficiently than traditional methods. In conclusion, the journey from hit identification to lead development is a critical chapter in drug discovery. This process is integral to ensuring that promising compounds can transition into effective therapies for patients. As research continues to evolve, leveraging new tools and collaborative efforts will be paramount in streamlining the drug discovery process, ultimately leading to more treatments reaching the market faster, thereby improving health outcomes for countless individuals.